Okay, moving on here. So you've got your vector line created. Now we're going to resize our image because our image is too small. So this is the way we do it. Under Edit Objects, we've been using this first selection arrow basically to select things or deselect things. That's the tool that we're actually using, selection mode. 2 arrows over, not the node editing, but the one over to the right of it. Move, scale, rotate, selection. We want to click on that one. That brings our control handles up and we can move things, rotate them, resize them if we want to. Now if you hold the shift key down, there's a little trick. Hold the shift key down and you hover your mouse over top of one of the corner squares. Then you can make your star or shape bigger and smaller, and it actually does it with ratio, aspect ratio. It maintains the aspect ratio. If you don't do that, then a better example, I guess, would be using the side. Notice that it stretches the shape out. It doesn't keep its aspect. So, the corner arrow is the way to go. If you want it to actually maintain the aspect ratio and stay centered, hold the shift key down and it does that. So it shows you a couple different options. That function can be used as well in different programs like Adobe software programs. Anyways, also the box in the center of the shape is going to be the one that you can move it around and center it. So that's what you want to do. You want to center it. You want to make it big as well. I'm going to use my shift key. It's a little easier to do. Again, center it, make it big. You don't want it too close to the edge. That's the thing. If you got it too close to the edge, you can also rotate it a little bit if you'd like. Too close to the edge, we're going to be routering into our clamps. There's clamping boards at the top and the bottom. We want to avoid that. So you leave about, I don't know if you're looking at the side here, about 4 of these little ticks from the top of the image to the top edge of your design, whatever it is you're cutting. Same thing on the bottom. Okay. Leave a little bit of space on the sides too, so that the material as it's being clamped actually maintains its structural integrity. You need some strength in on the ends here. Okay. Anyhow, that looks pretty good. You can check with me if you have any questions about your size as well. Thanks guys. We will pause the video there and